Hey friends, welcome back to Garage Oven. If you're new to Garage Oven, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Today I'll be showing you yet another delicious recipe using tender bamboo shoot and lobia or chauli. In Konkani, for tender bamboo shoot we call it as kirlu, and for lobia we call it as alsandebi. When it is rainy season, you get abundant of tender bamboo shoots. Here you see the tender bamboo shoot. I have separated the outer cover of the bamboo shoot and cut the inner tender part of it. You need to soak the bamboo shoots for around an interval of 3 days. So here you can see I am changing the water for every 24 hours. This is to wash away its bitter taste. Now I'll be collecting around 8 to 10 rings and I have cut them into pieces. I have taken 1 cup of lobia or chauli, washed it well 3 to 4 times and soaked it overnight. Transfer it to pressure cooker, add around 4 cups of water, salt and pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. Now let's make coconut masala paste for the curry. You need grated coconut, coriander seeds, methi seeds, turmeric powder, guntur red chili and marble sized tamarind. Heat a little of coconut oil, roast the coriander seeds, methi seeds and the red chili. See that the flame is under moderate heat while you roast. Now add the grated coconut and roast it for a few seconds. Cool all the roasted contents and transfer it to mixer jar. Add the turmeric powder, tamarind, add adequate water and grind it to smooth fine paste. Here is the coconut masala paste ready. Meanwhile, I had kept aside the pressure cooked lobia. I will be adding the tender bamboo shoots into it. We will be again pressure cooking it for 2 whistles only. Now to the cooked lobia and the tender bamboo shoot, we'll be adding the coconut masala paste. Add water from the leftover masala from the mixer jar. Adjust salt if required. Mix all well. If you feel the gravy is thick, you can add some more water. But see that you do not dilute the gravy. You can also view my other recipe using sprouted green gram with tender bamboo shoot. Let the curry boil well. Hope you have subscribed to my channel. Please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Also please do watch my other recipes and share your comments and views. The curry is cooked well. You can see oil floating on the surface. Now let's season the curry. You need 2 to 3 strands of curry leaves, 3 to 4 cut red chilies, half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Heat a little of coconut oil. Splatter the mustard seeds. Now add the curry leaves and the red chili. Drop it into the boiling curry. Delicious seasonal lobia or chauli with tender bamboo shoot curry is ready. This is one of the must-try recipe when tender bamboo shoot is in the season. You can enjoy this delicious curry along with hot boiled rice. You can also have it with idli or dosa. Please do try this recipe and do let me know your views in the comment box. Thank you for watching Garage Oven. Please stay connected for more recipes. Happy cooking. Bye.